Style is a reflection of your attitude and your personality. Personality has power to uplift, power to depress, power to curse, and power to bless. The way you dress is an expression of your personality. Art is the desire of a man to express himself, to record the reactions of his personality to the world he lives in. I can't change my personality. I will always smile, but I will be more focused. I believe in doing the right things. That is my character and personality. Personality is more important than beauty, but imagination is more important than both of them. I am what is mine. Personality is the original personal property. A good fragrance should have a certain personality that makes people identify the second with you. Personality is to a man what perfume is to a flower. A man of personality can formulate ideals, but only a man of character can achieve them. I have always had a dark personality, calm above water, feet going crazy below. My personality is energetic, fun, yet slightly psychotic. I am a handsome man with a charming personality. Different people bring out different aspects of one's personality. I wear my personality on my sleeve for sure, and my look is constantly changing because so am I. To this end, the greatest asset of a school is the personality of the teacher.